Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel.
So hopefully you watched our excursion we did yesterday, and it's still damp, a bit warmer today.
Yes, it is. It's quite nice.
The cars did really well, particularly FIAT Panda, so we thought we'd up our game. We saw this one yesterday but didn't get to drive it.
Gravel on the right and it's got hard flinty stone
Slate,
on the left. Yeah, slate on the left, and I think that's going to one, test your wheels for slipping on the right side, and two, your tyres on the left side.
And a very tight
turn at the top, which could be tough for Murdock.
tight, yes, that's true, and I won't be able to have much momentum, but no. I think I'm going to get up there. He says now I'm in confident mode.
Yeah, I think you'll make it up there.
I think it's a good test for the tyres, because if I was on the ones it came with, I would say that I wouldn't get more than a quarter of the way up there till I got a puncture.
Yeah, I think
it would very sharp. And
yes, you certainly need off-road tyres for this one.
So let's give this one a try, and we'll whack the drone up, and hopefully we'll be able to show exactly how tough it is.
Yes. Yeah, sorry about the smoke. Yeah, whoops. Right, so I'm going to come backwards a bit, avoid the camera, and then I'll venture up first with 4 low and no locker. Right then, so sorry about my dog's bum, that's my air freshener. I'm going to head up here in 4 low, and I'm going to give this a solid crack. I'm not going to put the locker on, like I've said. Let's avoid the camera. And I'm just going to leave it in first gear, 4 low, and we'll just see how it goes. It's bloody steep. This is definitely, I think, the steepest we've done. Right. That's it. Head up there, Murdock. Nice. Nice. The thing with this car is, obviously I've got the clearance. Spit that again, sorry. My dad hasn't got any clearance really compared to this, so hopefully, whoa, he does alright. I think the camera's moving, it's actually so jolty in here. Well, made it up there with not too much drama, just round the corner here, which is quite tight. And I'm up. Oh, hey, where am I going? I'm looking at the sky. Beautiful. Nicely done, Murdock. Top truck, top truck.
I won't lie to you, that didn't look that easy.
No, at one point it did spin for a bit of traction, but other than that, it's just sort of clearance, so I think that might be your flaw. Over.
Right, I'm on my way, see you in a sec. Right, off-road mode or not off-road mode? I'm going not off-road mode. I don't know why, but not off-road mode is where I'm headed. And let's see. Smooth and steady wins the race. Nice. Beautifully done, Pete. That looks like it's going to be a bang. No. Oh, the suspension's amazing. Sorry about the keys rattling. Oh. Frankly, piece of piss. Absolutely piece of piss. What I don't like is off-road mode. I'm not using it anymore.
Weird. Okay. Surprising, but
well, it just
limits you, does it?
Effortlessly did it. Yeah, it seems to draw the power out of it. I don't quite. It's me, I think. I'll have to give it another try.
Yeah. All right. about turning the car on a slope, you know, when you're turning and you're leaning. I like the leaning if I'm on a flat surface, but if I roll here, I've got a 500 meter roll as well to the bottom, and I'm not fancying that. Gotta say though, love the four-wheel driving, absolutely love it. It's a bit wobbly in here too. Right, well, yet again, another quite interesting little adventure.
Fantastic fun,
Yeah,
wasn't it? We thought we'd found, or I thought I'd found, a quick route to the road, which turned out to be much harder than we'd expected.
Yeah, I didn't fancy giving that a go even in Murdock, so let alone it was coming back up would have been the issue.
Yeah, happy days. Thoroughly enjoyed
Me
it.
too.
I'm definitely going to try shutting up. So that's my lot.
Yes, I need a coffee.
One day I'll change all of my wicked ways, and happiness will start to make sense. Happiness will start to make sense. One day I'll trade the session for